Your inbox is a goldmine for hackers. Don't let them strike. Your email inbox is packed with personal information, making it a prime target for cybercriminals. Falling for a scam could be disastrous, but you can stay one step ahead. Learn to recognize these 8 red flags and shield yourself from becoming the next victim. Keep an eye out for the 4th red flag. It's the one scammers use most frequently. Red flag 1. Urgent, sensational claims. Ever get an email that screams, "Act now," or "Claim your prizes"? Beware. These are classic tricks designed to make you act without thinking. Scammers want you to panic or get excited, so you don't see the trap until it's too late. Before we dive in, a big thank you to our sponsor, Stonefly. They're leaders in high-performance, secure data storage, hyper-converged, backup and disaster recovery solutions. Stay tuned till the end of the video for an exclusive offer just for you. Red flag 2, impersonation. Hey, it's your bank. Can you confirm your account details? Sounds legit, right? Wrong. Scammers love to pose as trusted companies or individuals. Always double-check the sender's email address and never share sensitive information without verifying the source. Red flag 3, unexpected attachments or links. A surprise file or link in your inbox. Think twice before you click. Cybercriminals often disguise malware as innocent-looking attachments or links from unknown senders. One wrong click could open the door to disaster. Red flag 4, suspicious domain names. Before you click that link, hover over it to reveal the real website address. Does it look off? Misspellings or odd domains are big red flags that the email isn't what it seems. Red flag 5, generic greetings. If an email starts with "Dear Customer" or "Hello," proceed with caution. Legitimate businesses usually address you by name. A generic greeting is often a sign that you're dealing with a mass phishing attempt. Red flag 6, overly complex language or spelling errors. Scammers often use fancy words or make spelling mistakes to sound convincing, or because they don't know better. If an email is filled with awkward phrases or poor grammar, it's probably not from a professional source. Red flag 7, request for personal information. No legitimate organization will ever ask you to send personal details like social security numbers or bank information via email. If you get a request like this, it's almost certainly a scam. Red flag 8, lack of privacy options. Legitimate businesses respect your privacy. Be cautious of emails that lack clear unsubscribe or opt-out options. Special offer, exclusive for you. Get a 98 terabytes Veeam, ready, immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $9,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. This offer is valid for a limited time only. We hope you found these email red flags helpful in keeping your inbox safe from cyber threats. Remember, vigilance is your best defense against online scams. Stay informed, stay secure, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on protecting yourself online. See you in the next video.